everyone. Today I will be making a salad. Something simple, something easy. Now this is my way of making a salad because I enjoy doing it this way and more tastier as well, and I add my Latino touch to it. Alright, so what I did is I cooked 1 cup of quinoa with salt and water, and I cooked it for 15 minutes. 1 cup of quinoa in 2 cups of water. Whichever cup you're using, it doesn't matter, it's the same amount of water. The same cup you use for your quinoa, the same cup you use for your water. So double in water, 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water. And I'm going to be adding also buckwheat. The same thing as rice as well. The buckwheat, the same thing. 1 cup of buckwheat I boiled in water with salt and a tablespoon of ghee, and put 2 cups of water. The same thing. Okay, so in goes the buckwheat. I almost burned my buckwheat. I don't know. It was my first time cooking buckwheat, so yeah. I did not know that it kind of dries out more faster than the quinoa. And I cooked it like for 15-20 minutes, right? I went and looked in Google how long does it take, and it says 20 minutes. I should have done it in the pressure cooker in the Instant Pot, which would have been much better and easier, which would be half the time of that in the Instant Pot. Now what we're going to need is to add the rest, right? To make a salad. These next ingredients is all up to you how you want to make it. You're the boss of your own kitchen, so you decide what you want to put. I'm just going to show you what I like to put. Okay, my friends? Let's start with the next ingredients. Have everything chopped up so that way it's quick and easy for you just to throw it in and mix. That's all. Okay, so I already ended up putting some onions. So all I did is chop fine some yellow onion, just half an onion, because I don't want it like strong. That's the first thing I'm just gonna add because that's just the smallest amount I'm gonna use for that one. But the rest ingredients is gonna be all chopped up and all put in together. Okay, so I added one stick of this one onion, one green onion, just one, and I chopped it finely and it's already in there. Now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. Here I have already chopped red peppers. The amount is all up to you depending how many people you're serving. So I'm serving for 6, so I only boil 1 cup of quinoa and 1 cup of buckwheat. And again, I repeat, for 1 cup it's 2 cups of water. Okay, so the buckwheat took 20 minutes, quinoa took 15 minutes to boil. Okay, so we got the red pepper. I have 2 of them. I have cucumber and I have tomato. You can add celery, you can add mushrooms. I mix and match. Not every time I do the same thing, so that way I don't get bored. So in it goes, and I'll have some fresh cilantro in there, already washed and chopped, everything washed. Okay, so that is in there. Now I'm going to add some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, just like, let's say 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons, because this is a lot, right? You can add any oil you love, whatever your heart desires. Okay, I'm gonna use this wooden spoon. You need something hard strong to mix it. I'm gonna use hemp seeds. Okay, hemp seeds. You put whatever your heart desires. So I'm going to put, like, let's say 1 handful or maybe more because I love it. I'm going to put some sunflower seeds. You can put anything you wish. Almonds, hazelnuts. So I'm going to put 2 handfuls or more. I know you can never be you can never decide. Now I love to put raw garlic in there, but I know my little boy doesn't like it, so I'm not going to use raw garlic for today, just for today. And this, you will mix it up. Before I mix it, I'm going to put salt. Salt is depending to your taste, so I'm just putting salt in there. You can put pepper, whatever your heart desires, cumin. All right, so we mix all this up. And sometimes I like to pickle onions and just mix it in there as well. It gives it a kick. It does really. But today I decided to do without that. pickled onions, just regular, just half an onion I put of the yellow onion. And sometimes I like to add avocado in here, chopped avocado. And believe me, it tastes so good. So I've tried it just with quinoa. This is my first time trying buckwheat. I want to see how it tastes. Once it's all mixed up, then we give it a taste. Put it in your palm of your hand. It's actually good. It's pretty good. I think I'm going to keep on buying buckwheat. Alright, so there we go, my friends. That is all to it. So simple, so easy. If you're coming from work in the morning or whenever you go to work or whenever you start working, 1 hour before, just cook some quinoa or just cook some buckwheat or both and have it ready, already cooked. So when you come home, all you have to do is just chop up the ingredients and give it a mix and it's ready to eat. It's so yummy. It has a nutty taste. It's just perfect. I don't know. I just love it this way. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.